Hello, if you are wondering if you can add an eSIM on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, then the answer is yes. If you open the settings and then go to connections, then you can choose SIM Manager where you have the Add eSIM option. If you press on it, then you should open additional two options. So let's wait a couple of seconds in order to load it. And there you go. Now we can press scan QR code in order to use the QR code to use the eSIM. You can also press enter activation code if you want to enter the code manually over here. In addition to that, we can also use the picture. So if you press on this icon in the bottom right corner, then you will open the gallery where you can find all your pictures, and then you can use them for the QR code, and you can also turn on and off the flashlight if needed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.